Welcome back to Cooking with Gloria. Today, I want to share with you how to prepare a guacamole with zucchini. Yes, a guacamole, creamy, delicious, perfect for your tacos. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. This delicious and amazing guacamole with zucchini. These are my ingredients. I have salt, black pepper, 4 to 5 garlic cloves, 2 aguacates, half an onion, cilantro, 4 jalapeños in the vinegar sauce, and of course, 1 zucchini. This is everything you need to prepare this amazing and delicious guacamole, perfect for any type of taco. So let's get started. Let me start by telling you, you're going to love this zucchini avocado. Yes, this guacamole really comes out delicious. And I am sure you have all these ingredients in your home. So let's start making this amazing guacamole. On a pan, I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil. I'm going to add the onion, the zucchini. When the zucchini starts getting nice and golden brown, I am going to start adding the garlic cloves. Let me tell you, very easy to prepare, and this guacamole comes out delicious every time. It's not going to get dark at all because we are going to add the jalapeños and the vinegar of the jalapeños. As you could see, the zucchinis are golden brown, and I added the garlic cloves. Let me tell you, you could enjoy this guacamole with rolled taquitos, shrimp taquitos, fish taquitos, even carne asada or grilled chicken. You decide. But let me tell you, this is a very easy and delicious recipe that I know you guys are really going to love. Like I always say, when you cook with love, everything comes out perfect. And these are my organic avocados. I have all the ingredients here. 1 tablespoon of salt, half a tablespoon of black pepper. And remember, the salt is to taste. But this is very easy. You could add it to a blender, but I am going to blend it with my hand blender. I'm adding the bunch of cilantro in the center, way in the bottom, and then adding the zucchini, onion, and garlic cloves. This guacamole comes out nice and thick, nice and chunky, really delicious. And I really love it in crispy tacos. So here I'm adding my jalapeños. Of course, you could add less or you could add more. If you love spicy food like I do, you could add more. But if you just like a delicious guacamole, just add 2 or 3. That's it. And now I am ready to blend away. Let me tell you, I am going to blend until this is nice and smooth. And it's going to take a couple minutes. But once this is done, look at the texture. Really nice and smooth, thick, delicious. The aroma of all those ingredients, just amazing. And now, of course, I am going to show you how smooth it is. I am ready to enjoy this. How, I don't know yet, but I'm sure I am going to enjoy it with some delicious and amazing crispy tostadas. Look at this. If your mouth is watering, make this amazing zucchini guacamole. You're going to love it. And I am ready for the presentation. I'll see you in a bit. done with this amazing guacamole with zucchini. This is the part I really love and enjoy. Tasting my recipes. Let's see how this came out. It looks nice and chunky and creamy. Excuse me. So delicious. It's not spicy at all, but it has an amazing taste. Let me tell you, make it and enjoy it with your beautiful family. If you like and love this amazing recipe, like, subscribe, and share. And don't forget to push that notification bell. And if you did, leave it activated. So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.